last two examples, we are going to rewrite linear equations in standard form. The first one is given in slope-intercept form. The other one, letter B, is given in point-slope form. Now, two things have to happen in order for an equation to be in standard form. The first thing that has to happen is there can be no fractions or decimals. The second thing is the x and the y have to be on one side, constant on the other. So, in this first case, I'm going to get rid of that fraction by multiplying everything by 7. So we have 7y is equal to negative 3x plus 35. And then the last thing we want to do is move the 3x over here with the 7y. And then we're going to do that by adding the 3x to both sides. Being very careful, we cannot combine the 7y and the 3x because they are not like terms. So we end up with 3x plus 7y is equal to 35. And that is the standard form for that linear equation. Now for B, the first thing I'm going to do is distribute this negative 1/3 first. So when I distribute that, my equation becomes y minus 2 is equal to negative 1/3 x minus 2. Negative 1/3 times 6 is negative 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the fraction by multiplying everything by 3. We have 3y minus 6 is equal to negative x minus 6. So in this case, I want the variables on one side, so I'm going to move the x over here with the y, and the constants on the other. So I'm going to move this 6 over here to this side. So to move the x, I add the x, and to move this 6 over here, I add 6. Again, we need to be careful not to combine the x and the y terms because they are not like terms. So we end up with x plus 3y. And you'll notice on the right side, everything cancels. So x plus 3y is equal to 0. And that is the standard form for that linear equation.